Hello, my dear well wishers. Good morning, one and all. Welcome to our S Square Maths YouTube channel. This is Santosh. So, we are going to discuss linear equations in one variable. Since many days we are going to discuss. Now, today we are going to discuss important, different, and very amusing problem regarding to simple equations. Nothing but it is also non-routine. Okay. So let us go through our question now. Given that the equations, nothing but two equations, this one 3 of x minus 2 of x plus a by 3 is equal to x, and 3x plus a by 3 minus 1 plus 4x by 6 is equal to 0. Have a common solution, find it. Find it in the sense we have to find out the common solution. So this is nothing but a problem connecting to common solution. Okay, so far in the previous videos we gone through the simple equations, nothing but just they will be giving the question and you have to solve for the variable. Okay, but here apart from the variable x, it has another also the parameter, nothing but a. So under these circumstances we have to find out the solution. Okay, so let us move to the solution now. So consider 3 of x minus 2 of x plus a by 3 is equal to 2x. Mark as equation 1. So I can write it as now here multiplying with 3, so that 3x minus 2 into x 2x, so minus 6x 3 into 2 into x, and here it is minus into plus is minus, so 3 into again 2 into a by 3 and minus 2x is equal to 0, nothing but transposing to this side. So now here multiplication is the operation, so that I can cancel. So now this gives you minus 3x, and here it is minus 2a minus 2x is equal to 0. Now I can write it as minus 5x minus 2a is equal to 0. Implies I can write it as now minus 5x is equal to 2a, implies x is nothing but minus 2a by 5. So this is our x value for the first given equation. Next, consider this equation and mark it as equation 2. Also now 3x plus a by 3 minus 1 plus 4x by 6 is equal to 0. So we have the two terms, taking over the LCM I can write it as, the LCM is 6. So 2 of 3x plus a minus of 1 plus 4x is equal to 0. So now cross multiplying, here we are going to get 6 into 0 is 0, 1 into this one gives you the same, so that I can write multiplying with 2. So 6x plus 2a minus 1 minus 4x is equal to 0 into 6 is 0 after cross multiplication. Now 6x minus 4x gives you 2x plus 2a minus 1 is equal to 0. From this, what is my x value? From this I can write it as, this is nothing but 6x minus 4x is 2x. So 2x. So 2x I can write it as now 1 minus 2a. Transposing the two terms to that side. Now I can write it as x is nothing but 1 minus 2a by 2. This is our second x value from the given equation. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. But given that 1 and 2 have the common solution. Okay. Since they have the common solution, so 1 comma 2 implies here nothing but 1 comma 2 have common solutions. Since they have the common solutions, equate the x values, this x value and this x value. Therefore, I can write it now minus 2a by 5 is equal to, here it is 1 minus 2a by 2. If you observe carefully, This is a linear equation in the variable a. So solving for it. So minus 4a is equal to 5 minus 10a by cross multiplication. Minus 2a into 2 is minus 4a, and 5 into 1 minus 2a gives you 5. 5 into 5 to the 10a. So here I can write it as now minus 4a plus 10a is equal to 5. So that here 6a is equal to 5 implies my a value is nothing but 5 by 6. But what is our requirement here? Both the equations have the common solution, find it. So this is not our common solution. It is our only the parameter involved in the given two equations. Our intention is to get the value of the variable given that the equations in x, nothing but we have to determine the value of x. So how to get the x value? So here in both the x values, here and itself and here itself, we have the variable a associated. Substituting the a value, we are going to get the x values. So you can use either this x value or this x value to get the value of the variable x. So now consider what we have to consider. X is equal to minus 2a by 5. This implies what is my a value? Minus 2 by 5 into a is 5 by 6. Since the operation is multiplication, 5 and 5, 5 ones, 5 ones, and here it is once thrice, gives you x value is minus 1 by 3. So this is our x value. In the same way, again we will get another one more x value, the same x value, by taking this x. Also consider x is equal to 1 minus 2a by 2. So this implies x is equal to 1 minus 2. A value is nothing but our 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 by here it is 2 once and here it is thrice. I can write it as now 2x, cross multiplying 2x is equal to 1 minus 5 by 3. So taking out the LCM, I can write it as here 2x is equal to, I can write it as here minus 2 by 3. So finally x value is nothing but here minus 2 by 3 into, here it is 1 by 2. 2 and 2 get cancelled here. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. So no need to go for the both the cases here, but for our additional information to get the x value, both x is equal to minus 1 by 3, here the case where again x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So therefore our requirement has been satisfied. Given that the equations in x, nothing but variables involved a, and they have the common solution, so find the common solution. Our common solution for both the equations, nothing but here minus 1 by 3 and here it is also minus 1 by 3. So in this way we can overcome the problem. So to get the common solution, these two equations are involved with the variable a. First of all, our intention is to get the a value, then only we can go for the common solution. So here x is equal to minus 2a by 5 and here x is equal to minus 2a by 5. So since they have the common solution, this is a way of proceeding the problem. This is an important point here, since 1 and 2 have common solutions given in the question. So equating the both x values since they have the common solution. So here we got the value of a. Substituting a value in either of the x cases, x values, we are going to get the same x value, our variable involved. Therefore my conclusion last, therefore the common solution of 1, 2 involved is minus 1 by 3. So find it, nothing but find the common solution. So nothing but if you are going to substitute x is equal to minus 1 by 3, both the equations will be satisfied. So I think so after watching the video, previously we discussed many problems, different problems regarding simple equations. Basic level are nothing but in 7th, 8th, 9th standard we gone through only solving our word problems, and this is a non-routine problem which is very important. not only for your regular board syllabus, various competitive examinations, even though it is important for your RRB, SI post and various central and state government examinations in the coming days. So please viewers, after watching the video, like, share, subscribe, and you can give the comments on the video. Thank you.